Hey guys, welcome to Earth Poetry Education. I just want to make you a really quick video on how to make your TpT banner. There was a comment in one of my videos, so I thought I'd get straight to it, and it's not going to take 20 minutes to make this, so I'm going to make this video as quick, as snappy, and as direct and straight to the point as I can. Okay, let's get to it. I've just opened this up on my other account just to show that you can do this completely free. I remember this used to be a paid function, but you can do this now on free. So I'm going to go click create design. We're going to set our design to 3600 to 960, and we're going to make sure it's px for this, and then we're going to hit create new design. Opening up, we get a completely fresh template. We've got to think of things that we really want to show off. My old one was very different. You can use lots of the styles here if you wanted. Make something dynamic, something grabby. Oh, it won't let me because that's pro, so you've got to be careful of that. That's a good thing. Let's see what templates they've got for free for education. No, all pro. I'm not going to be able to use them, so let's see what we can make with just the free version. Let's go store. We're going to go, why not? We like that. No, again, I need to look out for this thingy. So that was free. All the nice ones are not free. Anyway, let's not start with a template. Let's go straight in. We're going to go with a color. What I like to do, let's see if I can quickly do this. Let's go for a nice blue, baby blue. Maybe not. Let's go to this one. Let's give that a bit of a, yeah. Bright sunny day. All we need is some elements now. I'm going to go for, because my store is Earth Poetry, we're going to go for a nice old wide circle, and that's going to be our Earth. And we can mock this up pretty quickly. Let's aim for the corner. We're going to aim for the corner here. Come on. Let's change the colour of that. We're going to change that to another blue, not that blue. What kind of ocean blue should we go for? That one looked quite nice. Or should we go for a green? I think green would work better, and then I could add. Or let's see if I can do better than this. Earth, and I'll save my time. Everything's not everything. There you go. Nice. Then we got nice earth, and we're gonna also add another element. Let's get rid of that. To use these elements. Not sure how I feel about this green. We'll have to see. Right. What I like to do, make that quite transparent. There you go. Then we would put our logo. So let's have a random logo. See what I can get on logo. Anything free. Imagine I've got my logo there. Then I'm going to put something about mine. We're at 3 minutes. I'm trying to be a bit quicker. Earth Poetry Education. What font? Gotta be careful with these fonts. Make sure that you're using a free one. I think there was one called School Bell. School Bell? Yeah, there you go. That looks nice, funky. We put Earth Poetry Education. We're going to chuck that in the middle. This is I've got my own logo, but I haven't actually got it uploaded. But you can upload things to this. And then we're going to write some stuff. What do I make? I make a lot of printables. This is how printables, handouts, presentations. That's what I started doing. Doing this all on the free as we can. 4 minutes. Let's see if we can get this done by printables, handouts. Nice and easy. And then we go for, what else can we go for? PowerPoint. Let's see what we can get from PowerPoint. Is anything free. There you go. So we can have some, put this somewhere for presentations, so you know. Docs, if you use docs, anything free, yeah, we can use that. Let's get these nicely spaced, put that in the, what else do I do? Print outs, let's just see what we can get. I'm not claiming this to be anything, why not? I'm going to put a random swan in. This is just a mock-up to show you how to do this. We're going to go ahead, we're going to download this. We can't change anything else. We're going to download this as a PNG. PNG will be fine. We're going to go over to our settings. Settings. Where is it? My store. Edit. Select file. We'll go to our recent thing. Open. You should like it at least, but we can get probably the highest quality. Okay, I'm not gonna click save changes because I've got one that's done. But that is pretty much how you do that in under 10 minutes. There you go. Thank you very much for listening and stay curious.